So if you're running into an issue trying to update the firmware on your Nikon ZR, try this. I was recently trying to update the firmware on the Nikon ZR from the default to the new release of 1.10, and I was running into an issue with every time I went to the firmware page by clicking the wrench icon and scrolling all the way down to firmware. After loading the SD card and everything, I still couldn't see the option to update the firmware from the memory card option. That wasn't showing up for me. And I realized what the issue was in this scenario is that I still had the CFast Express card plugged into that secondary slot. So what you have to do when you're updating the firmware is remove that extra storage card. And once you do that, then you'll see the proper screen that'll allow you to perform that firmware update process. Some other things that you may want to watch out for when performing that process is to also make sure that you remove your lenses. Any adapters that you have connected to the Nikon camera, I remove all of those to prevent those from potentially malfunctioning or anything like that. You also want to make sure when you perform that process that you're placing that firmware file in the root directory of that SD card slot or whatnot, or whichever device you're using to perform that upgrade process. Well, folks, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.